Hello, continuing with our skills build, we'll be doing Adobe Photoshop and you solving a puzzle first of all, so we can learn our basic move and transform functions. The move symbol will be at the top left corner, and see now I'm doing transforming. I'll just use the move tool to click on the different sections and move them in hopes of solving it. So before this video I'd already solved it once, so for ease of this video this time it can go smoother. I also fast forwarded this video so the important aspects can be done first. So the transform, usually it's the rotate 180 degrees, rotate 90 degrees clockwise and 90 degrees counterclockwise. Yes, so that is usually all you should need at this point of time when you're doing a puzzle such as this. Although in case of more complex things, there is also the free transform function where you can rotate it similarly to images, such as if you're familiar with PowerPoint, you can rotate images, or Google Documents can also rotate words in that same way. So I've quickly completed it, and yes, final adjustments, touch-ups. The sky is not quite right, so transform it once more, get rid of the white spaces in between, and I'm done. So next we'll be moving on to adjustments and filter. So first adjustments, we have a task black and white on the A layer. So we will find our A layer, scrolling in the layers section. Each little segment of the 16 squares corresponds to one layer. So first, our settings, we shall move it to maximum white in the black and white. So you can see the small square has turned it into black and white without the rest of it being that way. B, invert. So let me just search. It's a bit difficult to find it, there's a lot of settings. So the image, invert. So you see the color is inverted into the black and white. C, photo filter with a red filter with 100% density, unchecked luminosity. So, yes, the filter is in the other section. This is adjustments, so it shouldn't be here. But let's just check. So the filter gallery, I'm not really seeing it, but so we can see the small adjustments panel above the layers panel. It should have something. Yes, okay, so color, we can adjust it, red filter. I don't think this is the correct one, but it's a red filter, so close enough. So next, posterize with a level value of 2. We need to wait. So we can see we did it a bit wrongly here. So the whole image should not move. So we are now moving it down because I'm not too sure about this. So in layers, the layer above will always show first. So since we don't want the rest of the panels to have that red filter, we will move all of the other layers down, above, so it wouldn't have that red filter. Posterize with a level value of 2. So we find our D. So you can see it's that in the middle part, posterize. Adjustments, posterize, and then with a level value of 2. Okay, that's done. Easy. E, gradient map using the orange and purple default gradient. We find our E layer. Then I'm not too sure about this as well. The colors is not really my thing, but we found a gradient map. We found purple. So let's see whether there can be anything. I'm not too familiar with this aspect, so I'm just trying it out, see how it goes. These are all files, so they should be able to open. So let's change it in case something shows up. Okay, this is good. Okay. Not quite what we are looking for, but let's check the purple section. Open it. Okay. It's orange to purple. It's good enough. Next, threshold level 105 for F. It's at the right-hand side. Threshold. Adjustments. Threshold, yeah. Threshold 105. Easy. Brightness and contrast. Brightness at 35 and contrast at 30 for G. Adjustments, brightness and contrast is all the way at the top. Easy. 35, contrast 30. Okay. Hue and saturation. Hue and saturation should be below brightness and contrast. So we find our H layer. Then we go to image adjustments and hue and saturation. Yeah, it's all the colors. So hue 60. Wait, no, it's over there. It's over there. Yeah, 60. Saturation 75 and lightness 20. And done. So we are done with our adjustments part. Okay, now our filters. Gaussian blur in I, 2.5. Gaussian blur, we find it in our blur section. Then J, ripple. Ripple. I'm not too sure which section this would fall under, so we'll just see. Ripple, ripple. I don't think it'll be under image because image is usually for all the adjustments, so we should check more within our filter section. So let's just scan through. Ripple, yes, under the filter section. And it shows you what it'll look like. We change the settings and yes, our moon is done. Then K, color halftone. Color halftone. And then we insert our values. There's a preset value. Okay, see. Very trendy. L, mosaic, cell size 10. Mosaic. Ah, yes. Here. 10. Yikes. M, neon glow. And we can pick the settings. So for me, I would just choose to use the preset settings that's available automatically. So yeah. Neon glow. I dislike that we have to look through every section each time because we're so unfamiliar with it at this point. So filter neon glow. So this is tricky. We shall just do a cheat method. Yeah. And ink outlines. And we can pick the settings. Okay, that's done. Easy in the filter gallery. Next, O, graphic pen. O, we find our O layer. Graphic pen. sketch. Yes, so here we can control like the different settings. Neon glow, it should be in here. Yeah, so yeah, so all these settings are available. You can see when I move it, it can change. So we don't want it to be too dark at this point in time. We will still want to see vaguely what's going on. We want to see the outline. So we see what's the options available to us. There are more functions available if you want to check it out later. So next, P, stained glass. Stained glass layer. Find our P layer. P. Stained glass. And yeah, the search function is immensely helpful. And we are done. Yes, we are done. Thank you for watching.